In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the footer on Mailchimp for 2020 ID. Editing the default footer in Mailchimp might seem like a daunting task, especially since the platform mandates certain information to comply with anti-spam laws. However, with a few simple steps, you can still customize or minimize it to suit your needs. First things first, head over to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. You'll need to input your login credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in, look to the sidebar and click on Campaigns. This section is where all your email campaigns are housed and is where you'll be making the changes. Now you'll want to either choose an existing campaign to edit, or if you prefer, create a new one. Whether it's a newsletter or a promotional email, the steps to edit the footer remain the same. Scroll down to the part of the email marked as the footer block, which is typically at the very bottom. When you reach the footer, you'll find options that might read Edit Contact Info or Unsubscribe. Click on this section. Here's where you get the opportunity to personalize it. You can tailor the design, adjusting the fonts and colors to match your brand's identity seamlessly. This customization ensures a cohesive look that aligns with your company's aesthetics, making your emails more engaging and professional. Once you've made your desired changes, the next critical step is to save and preview. This is important because it gives you a chance to look at your final design before it's sent out. By doing so, you can double check all the details, ensuring everything looks and functions exactly as you intend. This step can prevent any last minute surprises and ensure that your campaign impacts exactly how you imagined it would. Remember, while the footer is customizable, it's necessary to keep certain elements due to legal requirements. These typically include your physical mailing address and an option for recipients to unsubscribe. Ensuring these elements are present will help you comply with email marketing laws and maintain the trust of your audience. And there you have it. With these simple steps, changing the footer on Mailchimp doesn't have to be a headache. Just remember to always preview your changes and stay compliant with the necessary legal information. Happy emailing!